I can do you one better because I can teach you how to calculate the Nutrivore score for your own recipes. So the math here is relatively straightforward, but annoying. I will teach you what the math is in a second, but I will share the automatic way to do it, and that is with a meal planning app called Real Plans. I collaborated with Real Plans to integrate the Nutrivore score calculation into the entire meal planning app. So this is an incredible, super customizable meal planning app. You get automatic grocery lists. You can send your grocery list to Instacart or Amazon Fresh. You can check items off when you're in the grocery store. You can add your go-to staples if you always need bananas, but that's not in your recipes. You can meal plan in many different ways. And what's really cool is they have a library of about 3,000 recipes, and the Nutrivore score is shown on every single recipe. You can even sort by Nutrivore score. So if you only want recipes that are really nutrient dense, you can do that in your meal plans. And you can import your own recipes. So your grandma's pot roast or any recipe you see online, you can add that to your meal plans. And when you import your own recipes, Real Plans calculates the Nutrivore score for the recipes you import for you automatically. So that's actually what I do now. I used to calculate Nutrivore scores for recipes by hand. Now I just use Real Plans, and they also give the full nutritional breakdown for those recipes. That's actually how I get all of the data for my videos, is plugging in the recipes into Real Plans. So highly recommend. It is the official Nutrivore meal planning app. Such a fantastic app. You can learn more about Real Plans at nutrivore.com/realplans. And if you want to skip the $15 a month subscription and want to calculate the Nutrivore score of your recipe by hand, here's how you do it. So you can look up the Nutrivore scores of about 8,000 foods for free on my website at nutrivore.com/search. So what you would do is you would take all of the ingredients in your recipes and figure out how many calories worth of each ingredient you have. So let's say you have, a quarter cup of this, half a cup of this, 3 cups of this, but figure out how many calories that is. So you can generally just Google that, how many calories in a quarter cup of rice, and Google should pop up the calories. And then look up the Nutrivore score of rice on nutrivore.com/search, 66. Okay, so I have 100 calories worth of rice times the Nutrivore score, 66. So you take the calories worth of the ingredient, multiply that by its Nutrivore score, you'll get a number. You will total up that for every ingredient in your recipe, and then you'll divide by the total calories in your recipe. That end number you have is the Nutrivore score for your whole recipe. So it's kind of annoying math to do. It's simple math, but it's annoying because there's a lot of steps. Or you can let Real Plans do it for you automatically, and then you don't need to worry about making careless errors, which happens. That was one of the challenges when I was calculating Nutrivore scores by hand, is I always had to do it twice to check my math. With Real Plans, you don't need to do that at all. So check out Real Plans. Highly recommend nutrivore.com/realplans.